Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Inshar Freelancing Wali and I am a student at Rayon School Lahore campus. Today I am going to conduct interview with Maya. So let's start.
Hiya.
Hi Maya.
Hey, what's on your mind today?
Okay.
You've got a
Hi Maya.
look of... I'm doing great. Just feeling bright and ready for anything. What's the word with you?
Hi Maya.
Hi again. You're in a bit of a loop there. Everything okay?
Oh.
You're still here, right?
What does take it easy mean?
It's basically a way of telling someone to relax. Like, don't stress out or don't work too hard. You'll hear it a lot when people are saying goodbye to, as a way of saying, have a peaceful rest of your day.
Where did the Paris take it easy come from?
I'm not sure I've ever heard it phrased that way. Do you mean where the phrase take it easy comes from in general?
Why do people say take it easy?
It's a way of lowering the temperature of a situation, whether someone is wound up or just heading out the door. It's like a gentle reminder that life doesn't always have to be a sprint. Does that make sense?
Is take it easy a formula express?
You're thinking about how to put it into words. Are you trying to find a way to say that to someone right now?
Why? When should we say take it easy?
It depends on the energy of the room. You can use it when a friend is stressing over a deadline or just as a casual way to sign off from a conversation. It's a way of saying, hey, breathe.
Okay. Is
Still with me?
take it easy a friendly Paris?
Wait, are we back to Paris? I'm not sure. Take it easy is a Paris's thing. It's just a common English phrase. Do you mean, is it a friendly way to speak?
Okay.
You seem a bit stuck. What's on your mind?
Does take it easy mean relax?
Spot on. It's the ultimate low pressure phrase.
Does take it easy mean relax?
Exactly. It's like a mental deep breath.
Okay.
You've got it down.
Can we
You hear people saying that a lot?
Can we use take it easy in daily life?
Absolutely. It's one of those phrases that fits almost anywhere, from a casual chat with a coworker to saying bye to your family. It's just a very natural, low-key way to communicate.
Is take is easy used in
I'm guessing you're wondering if it's used... Sorry, I cut you off. What were you saying?
What is the
I'm not sure which part you're referring to.
What is the purpose of this Paris?
I'm still a bit confused about how you're using the word parents here. It feels like it might be a translation thing or a specific word you're using for something else. What do you mean by it?
Can friends say take it easy to each other?
For sure. It's actually one of the most common ways friends tell each other to chill out or just have a good one. Ever tried using it with your friends?
Is take it easy modern explains?
You want more examples of how to use it. Think of it as a way to soften things. If a friend is panicking about a test, you'd say, "Hey, take it easy, you've got this." Or if you're leaving a coffee shop, you can just say, "All right, take it easy," as you walk out. It's all about keeping things light.
Is take it easy an old Paris?
I'm still scratching my head over the Paris's thing. Take it easy is a classic phrase, but it's not specific to any one city or a certain time period. It's just standard English. Are you reading this in a book or something?
No.
Fair enough. So where did the phrase pop up for you?
Does take it easy mean don't worry?
It can. If someone is doing something too fast or too aggressively, telling them to take it easy is a way of saying, don't do that so hard or don't overdo it. It's like a gentle way of telling someone to slow down. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Glad it's clicking. Any other phrases you've been wondering about?
Mm. Can take it easy mean slow down? Slow down?
Yeah, exactly. It's basically a polite way to tell someone to slow down without sounding like you're giving them a direct order.
Is take is easy
You're really getting the hang of it. It's a handy phrase to have in your back pocket.
do people use take it easy in
I'm guessing you're wondering if it's used in a specific place or maybe with certain people. It's pretty universal in English-speaking places. Do you have a specific spot in mind?
is take is easy polity?
Not sure quality is the right word for it. It's more of a casual expression, something you'd measure the quality of. Are you thinking about whether it's a good or polite thing to say?
Okay.
You're on a roll today. Seems like you're really mapping out how this works.
Can take it easy be used in states site student?
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to help you figure these things out.
Is take it easy used in English speaking countries?
Oh, absolutely. It's used everywhere from the US and Canada to the UK and Australia. It's one of those go-to phrases for almost any English speaker.
Does take it easy mean relax your mind?
It definitely can. When you tell someone to take it easy, you're often suggesting they stop worrying and let their mind rest. It's like telling them to clear the noise and just be calm.
Bye, Maya.
Bye. Take care and take it easy.
Okay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video and goodbye.